Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we'll guide you through the steps to change your PayPal username. This is particularly useful if you have a paypal.me link associated with your account and you want to update it. So let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Now you have to log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the page, and next tap on the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. In the settings menu, you will see options to change your name and manage your paypal.me link, but still no direct option to change your username. So to proceed, you will need to contact PayPal customer support. So now close the settings menu and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now scroll down and tap on help. In the help section, scroll to the bottom and tap on contact. PayPal's support page indicates that username changes require contacting their customer support team. So now let's tap on this blue icon and you have to write what I put right here. You have to write, I want to change my username. Now what we have to do is to continue to request to speak with a representative. So now I'm going to put, no, I need more. So in this case, they are suggesting me to talk with a customer support agent. Now the only thing that I have to do is to press on yes. And after the representative assists you with the username change, they will update it across all platforms, including the web-based version and the app. Confirm that the change has been made by checking your profile on both the PayPal website and mobile app. So that's it. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.